Hi, I'm April, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to shortlist freelancers and create a team on our platform. Let's jump in. Our platform has thousands of freelancers to choose from, ensuring you're able to pick the perfect freelancer for your projects. You can browse freelancers via Freelancer Management and search freelancers. Use the tag at the top to browse freelancers with the skills and knowledge you need for your project. Click Apply to filter results. Open their profile to get an in-depth look at examples of their work, bio, information, and availability. Once you've found a freelancer you'd like to work with, send a direct message or invite them to the project right from their profile. If you are still browsing for more options, click the star at the top of their profile. This will add them to your Favorites tab for quick access. Now, anytime you want to review your shortlist of candidates, you can access the list from Freelancer Management and view Favorites. You can also click the Add More button from this screen to jump quickly back to the freelancer search page. There's no limit to the number of freelancers you can favorite. Alternatively, let's say you're working on a series of projects and you'd like the same freelancers to work on all or most of them. Once you've found the freelancers you'd like to work with, you can create a team. Customers can have one team of up to 5 freelancers. To create a team, go to Team Management and Create Team. You'll first give your team a name. Then you'll browse for freelancers. Once you've found a freelancer you'd like on your team, invite them from their profile. Now that your team exists, you'll have new options under Team Management. You can view your team. From here, you can quickly open the freelancer's profile, invite them to a project, or start a direct message conversation. Open Manage Invites to view or cancel a team invite. Simply click the minus sign to revoke a pending invitation. And message your team members here as well. Create a private or group message conversation with your team members by clicking the options. Whichever way you choose, you'll be connecting with the right freelancers for your project in no time.